Hi, my name is Pris. I decided to start vlogging. It's something I've wanted to do for quite some time, but I never got around to it for some reason. So with the new year, I decided why not try it as a resolution, and with that, I'll try to update every Friday because Friday's my favorite day. Um, One of my first resolutions that I'd like to try to start off with for the year is the Special K challenge. And I'm sure everyone knows what that is, and if not, you can look it up on specialk.com. It's to get healthier and to lose weight. My first goal with that is to lose the 5 pounds I had gained in December, and afterwards, I guess I'll try to lose some amount of weight for my friend's wedding, which is in October. My friend lives in Arkansas, also with another good friend, and if I'm able to make it down there, I'll get to be one of her bridesmaids. So I'm saving up for the dress that she picked out for her bridesmaids, as well as the trip itself, and hotel expenses, and I'm really, really excited about that. Another thing I'd like to talk about is a snowstorm. We recently had a snowstorm. It was supposed to be a blizzard. It didn't quite make it to blizzard, but it was a really fierce snowstorm anyway. And actually, my brother Michael and I went out last night in it, and when we were walking through it, the snow felt like pins and needles on our faces. It was awful, and the wind was really something else. Um, It's not snowing right now, but I think it probably will in the next few days, and I think we got down to about 6 degrees last night. Um, I'll probably be uploading photos of the snow on my art blog, which I'll probably link to in the description. And we live on a river, which is always amazing to look at throughout any season, but especially winter because it gets frozen and it's covered in ice. So that's it for my first vlog, and I will try to do this every single week. I'll try to come up with topics throughout the week, and hopefully the next few times, I'll be able to record more footage throughout the week, which I can add to the vlog on Friday. It's just that this is sort of on a whim, and I just started this, so it's really short, really awkward. And that's another reason why I want to start this, because I'm very shy. A very, very shy person, and you can probably just tell by watching. um, so I'll be seeing you next week, or you'll be seeing me next week. I'm not sure how to put that. Um, so I want to wish everyone a happy new year, and I hope everyone has a good year. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching.